In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sum function in Google Sheets. If you want to quickly add numbers together in a spreadsheet, the sum function is one of the easiest and most useful tools to learn. It helps you total values automatically, which is perfect for things like budgets, sales figures, expenses, or any list of numbers you need to calculate. To get started, go to your Google Sheet. Make sure the spreadsheet you want to work with is already open so you can follow along directly. Once you're in the sheet, locate the numbers you want to add together. Next, click and drag across the cells you want to calculate the sum of. This step is important because it tells Google Sheets exactly which values you want included in the total. As you drag, you'll see the selected range highlighted. Take a moment to confirm that all the correct cells are included before moving on, especially if your data is in a long column or row. After selecting the cells, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu gives you access to different items you can place into your spreadsheet, including formulas and functions. From there, click on Function. This will open a list of available functions you can use to perform calculations automatically. Now choose Sum. When you click Sum, Google Sheets will create the formula for you using the cells you selected earlier. This saves time and helps avoid typing errors. The sum function is designed specifically to add together a group of numbers, so it's a great option when you want a quick and accurate total. Once the formula appears, hit Enter. Google Sheets will immediately calculate the result and display the total in the cell. That's it. You've successfully used the sum function. A helpful tip here is to double-check that the result appears in the correct place and that the highlighted range matched the numbers you wanted to add. If something looks off, you can simply reselect the range and repeat the process. Also, sum works best when the selected cells contain numeric values. So if any cells include text instead of numbers, they may not affect the total the way you expect. This is a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when working with data. Once you get comfortable using sum, basic spreadsheet calculations become much faster and easier.